up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in to this week of Cooking with Cabbage. So on this week, I was supposed to have a special guest again, but something came up, so you know I'm dolo, but that don't stop no show. Today I'm cooking baked chicken with dirty rice and cabbage, some slice, not too much. So let's get into it. Okay, so in my pan, I got my chicken quarters, and I'm gonna add some chopped bell peppers. Now, I like a lot of bell peppers, but it's really to give it color. Bell peppers really don't taste like none to me. But yeah. Oops. Then I got some purple onion. You can use whatever onion you want to, but I'm going to use this one. Now, I already put my seasonings up in the thing. I'm going to put in the descriptions below. So I'm just going to start seasoning my chicken and make sure you get inside the flour. Because, yeah, you want your whole chicken seasoned. Then you're going to massage the seasoning and make sure you pat off your chicken first so it don't be wet, so the seasoning can actually stick and not like slide off. Now you see that? How the inside look, you want your inside to look. See, now I'm going to flip over the chicken because you want to season both sides. Don't forget to season both sides. I cannot stress it enough. Y'all going to hear me saying that a lot. That shit look weird. So I got my other thing of seasoning. Same thing, and you just gonna put it on top. The back really don't got no folds, but they do. Make sure you get them up in that too. Like, you want everything to be fully coated in seasoning. You don't want no blend bites. And we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna massage it. Make sure it's seasoned on each piece. So you can do this part if you want to. I like cutting the lemons into little slices and putting them over the chicken. It actually do give it taste, but it's really just fancy and me being fancy. So yeah, you're just gonna put the lemons on the chicken, around the chicken, however you want to do it. And then I'm going to take the other half and I'm going to squeeze the juice. All over the chicken. Okay, so I think this is optional too, but I don't see why you want to do it. This is some chicken broth. I'm going to put this right on top. Like, just so your chicken can stay moisturized so it don't stick to the bottom. Or nothing like that. Don't worry about the seasoning because it's already in there and it's just gonna cook in. That's what you put it in the folds for. Remember what I said, put it in the folds. So now that I got this covered with chicken broth, I'm gonna put it in the oven that I got set to 380. So you're gonna put your chicken. You're gonna put your chicken in there for about 2.5 to 3 hours. Or longer, however you choose, whichever one. Just make sure it ain't pink in the inside. Okay, so I had already started cutting my cabbage off camera because this shit a lot of work. So now that I'm done cutting my cabbage, I done rinsed it out, washed it and all that. I'm gonna take it over here. Over here is where I got some smoked sweet meat, some onions, and some chicken broth and some water. And I seasoned it a little bit. And that's been boiling for a minute. Now I'm just gonna pour my cabbage in here. And then I'm gonna let it sit. And once we get this soft, we're gonna season it a little more and then it'll be ready.
Gotcha.
So now I'm finna get started on my dirty rice. I'm not gonna lie, I be chilling. I don't wanna be doing everything close to my scratch. I got the little box where you just add your own meat. Something quick and simple. I'm not no chef. So I got my meat going. I'm gonna season it. The seasonings once again gonna be down below. And I'm gonna season my meat. I'm gonna put a little bit now and then a little bit when it's a little bit more cooked. Okay, so now that my meat is brown a little bit, it's not fully done, I don't think. I'm gonna add some water to it. I'm gonna put part water, part chicken broth to give it some flavor so it don't be bland. And I'm gonna do the rest, the chicken broth. So I'm gonna put it in there and give it a stir to break the meat up. And we're gonna bring this to a boil. But before I do this, I'm gonna add the rest of the seasoning that we didn't use. Of course, I'm gonna season again, but we're gonna use the other half to season like that water and broth that you just put in. So when you check your chicken, sometimes the top may get dry. So you're just gonna take that chicken broth and you just gonna keep rehydrating the top every so often. Make sure like broth stay in the pan. The seasoning will get into because you already seasoned beforehand and you dry out your meat. So make sure you keep the top down so your chicken just don't be dry. Because we fuck like dry chicken. Okay, so now my water has came to a boil and I'm gonna add the rice in. Once you add that in, don't be like me. I'm gonna stir it and mix everything together and I'm gonna let the rice cook and soften up. Okay, y'all, so I did it again. I did it the fuck again. Look at this. Look at that. Got your baked chicken, your cabbage with smoked meat, and your dirty rice with turkey. Cause I'm trying to stop eating red meat. So before I finish, I always take some lemon. I always buy 2 lemons. I always take some lemon and I squeeze it over the chicken. Like, it don't get no better than this. Like, look at that. Period. It's a bomb. And I'm not even saying that because it's my cooking. Everything on this plate is amazing, missing the hot sauce. But other than that, everything is fucking good. Anyways, I need to finish this plate. Thanks for watching the second episode of Cooking with Cabbage. I'm out here. Bye.